In the news, a problem that's blowing in the wind. All over the Great Plains, soil needed for growing crops is blowing away, creating fears of a new dust bowl. We'll be back with soil erosion in the news.
The story of Soft Batch, the cookies so soft they taste like they're right from the oven.
You know, Mom, some people call our Soft Batch cookies homemade.
They're elf-made. Just because we elves make Soft Batch cookies soft and chewy, like cookies right from the oven, and 8 yummy flavors, there's no need to call them homemade.
I'm sure folks meant it as a compliment.
Keebler Soft Batch cookies, oatmeal raisin, sugar, peanut butter, and chocolate chip. So soft, they taste like they're right from the oven.
And now, a dirty problem in the news. The dirt here is topsoil, the rich soil so necessary to growing crops. And here is the Great Plains, where so many of this country's food crops are grown, especially grains like wheat and corn. Across the plains from Montana to Texas, much of that rich topsoil is blowing away or being washed away. Weather and poor farming practices are blamed for this soil erosion. The problem is not new. In the 1930s, erosion was so bad that huge dust storms turned parts of 5 states into desert. It was called the Dust Bowl. Eventually, much of the land was reclaimed and made productive again through conservation techniques which hold the soil in place. But the problem has never gone away. Dust Bowl conditions returned in some places in the 1950s, 60s, and 70s. Even today, not all farmers practice conservation, and soil erosion in the plains is once again causing fears of a dust bowl. Even though experts say disaster is many years away, they're encouraging more conservation today. Some farmers are fighting back with new machines that let them plant grain without plowing. But these and other measures to conserve the soil often add to costs, and many farmers, already losing money, say they can't afford soil conservation. I'm Christopher Glenn with Soil Erosion in the News.